How to backup and restore WhatsApp chats. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily backup and restore your WhatsApp chats. Now, without any further delay, let us just jump right into it. First thing you have to do is open up your WhatsApp application. Once you open it up, you basically have to find your chat settings. You can do that by heading over to the top right corner on the three dots, and from the pop-up select settings. Once you tap on settings, scroll down and find chat section and then tap on chats. Once you go to the chat section, go ahead and open up chat backup. Once that is done, you need to choose a Google account where you want to back up your chat on your Google Drive. So go ahead and tap on Google account. Make sure you have selected your correct account. Once you've selected your account, you can go ahead and tap on the backup button up top. Once you back up all of your messages, it will show you your size of the backup messages. And then finally, what you need to do is simply go ahead and go back. Now, to recover your chat while you log in, after you log in, you should be asked to recover the chats that you have, and you should be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.